What online business can I start in 2025 without any money? If you're a complete beginner looking for different ways of earning income online, in this video, I'm going to show you 6 different ways that you can actually make money even if you don't have any money to start. Now, the first business I will show you is super easy to do. In fact, you'll be able to get it done in the next 10 minutes and you can start earning some income. But then the other ways might be a bit more difficult, but I guarantee if you watch this video all the way to the end, definitely you're going to find at least one thing that you can implement. For example, the sixth one, which I'll talk about, it's the number one way that I earn income online, and it has helped me to make the most amount of money. Now, I'm very much aware that there are lots of scams out there. In fact, there are lots of people who are saying that they can help you to make money, but they're just there to take your money away from you. Maybe you're like me and you don't listen to people randomly, but you want people to actually show you real proof that they know what they're talking about. In the past few years alone, I've generated over 3.5 million rands, which can be translated to just under 200,000 US dollars from the different things that I'll show you in this video. And in fact, I've created a whole YouTube channel, and at the moment of recording this video, we just hit 100,000 subscribers. As you can see, YouTube sent me this plaque right here. And here are just 2 proofs to show you that I know what I'm talking about. For example, this is one of the methods I'll talk about here. I've earned over 22,000 US dollars from doing what I'll show you. And then as you can see right here, I've earned over 6,000 pounds doing another one of these methods. And that was just in the past few weeks and months. And now I share these videos for free. I don't charge you anything. All that I ask is that you show your support by hitting the like button. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you also be notified every single time when I drop more content like this designed to help you to earn income online. The first way to make money that you can instantly implement is by flipping goods on Facebook Marketplace. Flipping is another word that just simply means that you are going to be selling stuff online. The easiest way to approach this is you can simply find old things that are of value that you no longer want to use that you can put on Facebook Marketplace and sell them to people who've got money who actually want to buy them. Now, I have been doing this for years. It's the way that I bought my first camera that I use for creating videos. It's one of the ways that I bought phones for cheap. It's one of the ways that I bought my first car because I found people out there who were selling good products at secondhand prices. And maybe at the time I didn't have the money to buy it brand new, so I then bought from these people. So what you can do is that you can walk around your house and you can look for old products that you know that, okay, I'm not using this thing anymore, but I want to sell it and make a bit of money from it. You just simply need to have a Facebook account. You go to the Facebook Marketplace and then you just simply post listings there. Now, if you want me to make a more in-depth tutorial about this, let me know in the comment section. But also, let's say maybe you don't have much stuff that you can actually sell. To make this more of a business that you actually can run is you can actually become the flipping guy. What I mean by that is, like, if you look at your WhatsApp, you probably have got maybe 100 to 300 or maybe 1,000 different people that you have known over the years. You can simply send them a message saying, hey, I can help you to sell your old stuff that you're no longer using. Simply send me a photo and then I'll get back to you with how much I'm willing to buy it for. Then what you simply do is take it and then you list it on Marketplace. And then when people want to buy, when people make you offers and they say that, okay, this is how much I'm willing to pay, you then can take that money and pay the person who actually owns that thing. So it's going to be a business whereby you are working as the middleman. You're going to be taking the stuff that other people actually have for sale, and then you're going to be selling it on their behalf. And whatever profit you make from there, you can actually keep it. Now, personally, this is one of my go-tos. Let's say, for example, maybe I'm totally broke and I need some quick cash. This is one of the ways that I'm able to make cash easily. So to start this off, you start off with $0, but then as you go, you may start investing back into the business to buy products, and then eventually you resell the products for your profits. The second type of free business that you can start, which will also help you with the others that I'm going to talk about, is starting a YouTube channel. Now, it's free for anyone to start a YouTube channel. And the best part about it is that you can create multiple streams of income for yourself. For example, I get paid by YouTube to create videos like this, but then there are other things that I also get paid for, which I'll also talk about by just having videos online. And to start on YouTube, all you simply need to have is a camera. It doesn't have to be an expensive camera. You can simply use your phone or you can use the camera on your laptop. The only qualification is that you need to have video content that people want to watch or are willing to watch. This is one of the things that I highly recommend for 2025 because at the moment, YouTube is actually pushing out new creators. Now, normally it would take you maybe a couple of years. For me, it took me about 11 months for me to start seeing some good results on YouTube. But I'm starting to see a lot of people on their first video, their second video, their third video, they're already getting thousands of views. Why? Because YouTube is trying to encourage as many new creators to create content as possible. So if you start creating content today, you might find out that your content starts getting views. Like I mentioned earlier on, I have multiple different streams of income from YouTube alone. It has helped me to generate up to 7 streams of income, and I speak about them in this video that you see right here. In fact, I've got a training or a PDF where I actually show people 22 different ways that you can make money online from having a YouTube channel. I'm going to put it in the description of this video. You can check it out if you're interested in it and get it. I also help people to start their own YouTube channels, especially if you want to generate income from YouTube and use it as a way of getting leads and growing your own business. If you're running a business out there, maybe you're a business owner or maybe you're a coach, you're a consultant, and you're looking for, okay, how can I get more clients or how can I get more people to be interested in my business? I'm actually coaching people to grow on business, to use YouTube as a method of growing their businesses like that. So there's also going to be a link in the description there of the video. You can click there to book a call with me. We're going to talk about your needs and see whether I will be able to help you to get started with your YouTube channel. Once again, if you haven't done so already, please show your support for this video. If you're liking the content, just hit the like button so that I know that I need to create more content just like this. And then the third business idea that you can start is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is simply the process of you identifying different companies that will allow you to promote their products, and then you earn a commission when you get a customer for them. For example, one of the most popular platforms out there that you can join as an affiliate is Amazon Affiliates. They've got millions of different products that they sell on their website. You can sign up as an affiliate on Amazon Affiliates, and then you can simply get an affiliate link. An affiliate link is a link that the website owner will give to you, that when you share that link with anyone, if someone buys using your link, you get given a commission. On Amazon, the commissions range from about 7% to about 17%, depending on the type of product that you're going to be promoting. I normally recommend that you find high ticket affiliate programs, sign up, and then you find different ways of actually promoting them. In fact, I'm thinking of creating a video about high ticket affiliate programs that are there. If you want me to do that video, let me know in the comment section, and then I'll make sure that I create that video. But also personally, affiliate marketing is one of the ways that I create income for myself because I create so many videos on YouTube. I sometimes recommend some different products and softwares that I use. And then because people are interested in getting maybe the same results that I'm getting, they use the same softwares that I use. I just simply take the affiliate link that I was given by that company's website, I put it in the description of the video, and then I just tell people to simply click that link and register for the software. Now, when it comes to promoting affiliate products, there are so many different ways that you can approach it. For example, you can use free methods. For example, I use YouTube. Like I explained, I put links in the descriptions of my videos. But then also, maybe you don't have time to build your own audience like I have done. You can also use paid methods, whereby you can just simply pay those different platforms so that they can show your link to different people. And once people sign up, you get paid money. Now, personally, I love affiliate marketing because it's one of the ways that you can actually create passive income for yourself. What I mean by passive income is that, like, for example, I create videos, I post them, and then I can just forget about them because I've now put them on YouTube. Someone can come and watch that video weeks later, a month later, or years later, click on my link and actually buy the product, and then I'm going to get paid money. In fact, I've actually got a free course where I train people and show them how to get started with affiliate marketing, and I show you real proof of how personally I've earned over $10,000 per month by using affiliate marketing. So the link is also going to be in the description of this video. The next business idea is starting a Twitter page. Twitter, or what is now known as X. You're simply going to create a Twitter page and then you're going to be posting content there. Now, personally, I have not done this business. I'll be open and honest with you. And it's something that I have decided that I'm going to be doing in this year. But the reason why I'm talking about it is because I've seen so many people make thousands of dollars on this platform alone. Now, traditionally, when it comes to all the different social media platforms, the number one that has been paying the most has been YouTube. But now I've seen Twitter taking on YouTube and paying creators way, way more money than YouTube itself. I live in South Africa and I've seen people like this guy called Chris Excel, and I'd always wonder how he makes money because he's always posting memes and just stirring up a whole lot of trouble on Twitter. And then one time I was listening to Elon Musk talking about Twitter monetization, and then I realized that the reason why a lot of these people are posting content and they're getting thousands of views on their content is because Twitter is paying a whole lot of money. Now, obviously, because I haven't been doing Twitter myself, I don't have the exact figures of how much you can earn. But I want you to think about it. For years, people were creating content on Twitter, and then suddenly Elon Musk buys it. And then people start earning income from just posting stuff that originally they were doing it for free. It totally has changed people's lives. There have been many stories I've been seeing online. You can actually do your own research to find out how much people are actually getting paid. But there is one requirement that you need to fulfill in order for you to qualify to be paid, and that is that you need to have a verified account. And for your account to be verified, you have a minimum of 500 followers and plus a certain number of impressions. You need to do your own research to find out more. But then you just simply choose the niche that you want to focus on, and then you create content around that consistently. You get a certain number of impressions or views, and then get those 500 followers, and then Twitter starts paying you per impression, right? The next business idea is freelancing. Freelancing is something that I talk about a lot on this page because it's one of the ways that I got my breakthrough online. So freelancing is simply taking whatever skill or knowledge you have, and then you're going to be using it online to help people with whatever problems they have. If you don't have any skills that you can offer as a freelancer, I'll invite you to check out this video right here, where I talk about high income skills that you can learn that can help you to earn income online. You simply learn one of these skills and then you start offering it out to people. And no, you don't have to go back to college or get some form of a degree and buy some expensive courses. A lot of these skills you can actually learn them online. For example, by watching YouTube videos. There are lots of great courses out there that will teach you everything that you need to know about freelancing. For example, I also have got my own course where I teach people how to do freelancing, and I also link it in the description of this video. And then the final way of making money online, which is my personal favorite, which has helped me to make the most amount of money that I've made in my whole life, is by creating and selling online courses or by doing online education. What you simply be doing is that you'll be taking the skills that you know, the knowledge that you know, and then you're going to be packaging it as an online course or as a coaching program that people can buy so that they can learn from you the things that you know. Now, it does not have to be limited to the stuff that I talk about on this YouTube channel. You can make courses about anything. You simply need to identify a skill set that you have that people want to learn, and then you package it in a way that, okay, so my battery died, so I'm now recording here on my phone. But like, as I was saying, you can create courses about anything, and courses can come in different formats. For example, you can create a video course, just like I'm creating video right here, or maybe you can create an audio course. You just simply record what you want to teach people. Another format of your course can be that it can be an ebook, or it can be in book format. So there are so many different formats that you can use for creating a course. You just need to create something that is of value that people want to read, watch, or listen to. I've helped a couple of people to get started with this, and it's one of the services that I personally offer to help people to actually launch their own education or course business. So if you're interested in that, there's also going to be a link in the description for you to book a call to find out more about that from me. But basically, you can start. Anyone can do this. You just need to have some skill set that you know that people are willing and able to learn from you. And now, obviously, I've covered a lot in this video, but let me know from all the 6 different methods that I spoke about, which one is your favorite, or the one that you maybe have got a few questions. Feel free to ask them in the comment section, and then I'll do my best to answer so that you can get clarity on what your next steps are. Once again, if you're not yet a subscriber, make sure that you hit the subscribe button so that you're notified every time I drop content like this. And if you're looking for more ways of earning income online, make sure that you check out this video next, which will show you high income skills that you can actually learn that will help you to earn more money in 2025 or any other year going forward.